Hello everyone, it's me. I'm back. How are you all doing today? I've been shopping, so it's just a little quick video. Excuse the state of my nails. I have been crafting too, believe it or not. Well, anyway, why would you not believe that? Because it's my passion. I love to craft. So I've only got a couple of bits this week, but they are really, really nice. So the first thing I bought was, let's have a look, my new glue gun from Amazon. So let me just show you. There it is. It's around the wrong way. So it comes in a case. It's been a long time since I had a new glue gun, and the other one was spitting and you know, and dripping and doing all sorts. But I had it a long time, so this is what I bought. So I'm just opening it now. It is the box standard. It's got the metal nozzle, which I like. I also liked having an on and off switch, which is what it's got. And then there's a little stand on there anyway. I've got my own little stand, and then you just press it here. So it's just box standard. Comes in a beautiful case, which I'm really happy with. And then there is some, I can't remember how many glue sticks you got with it. I think it was about 50, but what a great idea, just to keep your glue sticks and your glue gun all put away, all nice and neat and tidy. And this, yeah, the glue sticks there. So I think there was 50, I think. Might be a few more, but I'll put the link to it in the description box. I think it was £12.99. But a normal glue gun on its own was £9.99. And I mean, you can buy them really, really cheap. I think a bit cheaper than that, but I thought that was really cheap anyway. And it comes in a case, which is hard case. So it's B-Way is the brand. I just fancied something a bit different, so I thought, oh, I'll have it in a case. It's nice and neat to put away. So that was the first thing, Amazon. Second thing I got on Amazon was, I've been watching a lady on YouTube. I can't remember what her name is, but she's called Positively Paper Crafting, I think. And she was doing some stuff with a laminator, and I thought it was a brilliant idea. So I have got a laminator. I have got the glossy sheets, which actually today I made some, which she showed us how to make, was with the glossy sheets, is how to make these little pouches, which are really, really handy. I mean, she made them up to put all her dies in, and there's millions of ideas. I just put all my butterflies in this one, keep them all together. So they're laminated pouches, and there is videos on her channel to show you how to do it. If you want me to show you how to do it, I will. But these were for the matte ones, are a little bit more pricey than the shiny ones, but the matte ones are brilliant for your ephemera and everything. So if I could show you, see if I can find one that's, this is just paper. See if there's one I've laminated. I'll find the laminated ones now. Oh, that's great, isn't it? Well done, Ange. So that one there has been laminated. It's still card on the back, so you can stick it down, but it's actually been laminated in the mat. And then I need to find one that's not laminated. So that one's not been laminated, so you can see it's just paper. This one is, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got like a film on it, so it's protected as well. So I can show you how to do that as well, or you can go over to the lady's channel and watch her do them, because that's where I got it from. That's where I got the inspiration from. So I got laminated pouches. They took a while to come, but I didn't mind waiting. I ordered them at the beginning of the week, and then I chose for them to be delivered yesterday because I was going to be, well, didn't know if I was going to be at home or not. So that was the pouches. They're on Amazon as well. I got 120, but you can get 80. They're not the cheapest in the world. The matte ones, but as I say, the glossy ones, you can do millions of things with the glossy ones anyway. Making the pouches was just one idea. So I paid a little bit extra to get 120 because I thought in the long run, sorry about this, I'm just trying to get things straight. I'm a little bit far away again, aren't I? I forgot to do the settings on my camera, but what I'll do is when I'm going to do a tutorial later on, not a tutorial, just I'm going to make some clusters up with you, and I'll put it closer so you can see. Now and then I went onto eBay and I got some sheet music in a job lot. This seller sells it by the weight, so I think it was a kilogram or 2 kilograms of old used sheet paper, and it is basically, it's all pages, but they're just original pieces of sheet music, which are, I mean, they're just fabulous. Look, they've got all the roughed up edges. I'll turn it around that way so you can see it. Maybe if I had it closer up you wouldn't have been able to see, but you can see it's actually the original sheet music. And look at that, how fabulous is that? Look at the edges. Look at these edges, look, gorgeous. And I think it was something like £10. Oh, Tony liked that one. That was his mum's favourite song. Oh, I'll keep that one for Tony. Yes, yeah. No, sorry, I got distracted then. But yeah, it's the front covers, and it's all different sizes of music. Really, really old and grungy. Love it. The covers. I just not really had a chance to look through it yet, but I think I paid about £10 for. He sells, seller, I think it's a man, sells it by weight. So, and it's a UK seller, and if I can find it, if he's got any more, I'll put the link to it as well. But if you just go on eBay, job lots, sheet music job lots, and then you'll find tons and tons and tons of them on there. So yeah, so I'm really, I haven't had a chance to go through this yet, but what I can see already for the money, absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love. Some is older, some is, I mean, look at that. That is amazing. Oh, I love it. And it's still got all the old sellotape on it and everything. So yeah, this is a nice find actually. Yeah, I love it. It's really grungy, really fragile. I don't know the ages, and I don't know if there's copyrighted on them, but I'm just going to be using them as they are. I won't be copying them anyway, because I don't want to get into that. I mean, look at that one. Wow, look at that. Look at it. Look at the old spotting on it. Look at this at the bottom. It's just gorgeous, and it smells old, which is what I like. Yeah, so I'll keep that on top. Yeah, so that was an eBay seller, job lot, and job done, and I absolutely love it all. None of it is copied, it's all original sheet music, and I love that. So that's enough for me going on music hall memories. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have fun later on going through this lot, aren't I? Yeah, I have got books of it as well. I've got sheet music, but I just thought, oh, do you know what, I'll give that a go, see what it's like. And that was my eBay find. All that sheet music, it's all originals. And the last thing for this week, I'm on holiday now, so I'm going to be going out shopping a lot. So I will probably have quite a big haul next week. But today is Saturday, and I bought something off an Etsy shop, and it's Bohemian Crafting, which is Eva. Her YouTube channel is Bohemian Crafting. I absolutely love this lady. She is absolutely fantastic. She has got the best sense of humour ever. She makes me giggle. I just love her. She's so clever, so creative. Now, I'll be honest with you, I did go on and buy a digital download of some of these papers, but I wanted to get the paper, just the pad. It wasn't that expensive, and it's all printed out ready for you. For people that haven't got printers and everything, this is a fabulous way to get hold of some beautiful paper. So this on the top is, oh, that's a freebie. This is the book. It's called A Vintage Office Paper Book. It's all printed out. It's not original stuff, but it's absolutely fantastic quality. And for ladies that haven't got, I have downloaded the digikit of this with lots of these papers. Not all of them are in it, but then I bought the book, and I think the book was something like £12, but then you had to pay £12 something, and then you had to pay for postage, but it's quite a weighty book anyway. But yeah, so I just want to get it. I just wanted to support Eva, and I will put the link to her Etsy shop in the description box, because I've written down all the links so I can actually get them in there. But this is just papers that you can just rip one out. It's white on the back, but the quality of the printing is excellent as well. The paper is gorgeous and I love it. And also the lovely Eva has sent me some freebies. How sweet is that? So she's put, thank you so much for your order, Eva. And it's clipped on with a rusty paper clip, which I love. And these are the papers that she sent me as a freebie, as a gift. Thank you so much, Eva. I don't know if you watch it, because I'm a little channel and you're a big channel, but I just want to say thank you anyway. And she sent me these images, which I love those. And then there is some dispensing labels. So this might be stuff that you can actually on a digikits. I'm not sure. Not been had a look, but they're all yeah, dispensing labels, which is right up my alley since I work in a dispensary. But obviously we don't make medicine up like we did in the old days. But these are gorgeous as well, these prints. Absolutely gorgeous. I should be cutting them out and using them in my projects. And then this one is just a page of ephemera, which is gorgeous. So I love that. Miscellaneous labels, Bohemian Crafting. So yeah. Thank you, Eva. Thank you very much. Thank you for my order. Sending it so promptly as well. And I love this rusty, I love that. Rusty paper clip. I think I rusted some safety pins. I don't think I did paper clips, but yeah, I love that. It's really good. So that is my haul for this week, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be back anyway. I'm going to do another video later on today, or maybe tomorrow. I got 2 weeks now where I can do videos, as long as we don't go anywhere or do anything. But I can still do. I could do one video, then do a next one, and the next one, and the next one, and just, you know, have them layered up. So I've got lots and lots of ideas. I've got lots of stuff that we're going to be making. Well, I'm going to be making, and I'm hoping you'll watch along. So anyway, so yay! I've been shopping. I spent a load more money on stuff to make me happy, and my daughter's been up today, and we've been talking about what would I like for my birthday. So decisions. Watch this space. I've got something I want, but it's quite a lot of money, so I'm going to see. I'm going to see what I can do. Right then. So have a lovely Saturday. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely weekend. The sun is shining. It's beautiful outside, and all my washing's out. And today was the first day I was able to actually vacuum the flat. So the floors look much better. And I will get around to cleaning everything on a very slow pace. So anyway, have a lovely weekend, everyone, and I'll speak to you soon, folks. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye for now. Bye.